In lecture 1, we can find x is equal to 1 and x is equal to minus 1. Two values. First, we can put x is equal to 1 in equation 2 and then x is equal to minus 1 in equation 2. So this is equation number 2. In first video lecture, we can find the solution of question 4, question 5 and question 6 up to this part. The video is too much extended, that's why we can make another part of lecture 2. This is actually the part of lecture 2. Here up to this part we can find in lecture 1 on lecture 2 but part 1. Now this is lecture 2 part 2. Now first we can put x is equal to 1. Up to this term we can solve each step by in lecture 2 part 1. You can see on part 1 video that first now what we can put x is equal to 1 in this equation. So this is 1 square plus 5 into 1 plus 3. Just we can put the value of x is equal to 1 in this equation. This will be 1, this will be 1, this will be 1 plus 1, this will be 1 minus 1, 1 plus 1. So here it is. This will be 1 minus 1. So 1 square, this is 1, 1 plus 5 plus 3, it gave us 9 into a 1 plus 1, it gave us 2 and the square of 2, it gave us 4. Similarly 1 minus 1, it gave us 0, 1 plus 1, it gave us 0, but anything multiplied with 0. Now when we can multiply 0 to this or this, so they will get 0. Similarly c into 1 minus 1, so it will be 0. Now when we can add these terms, so we know that 0 cannot affect the numbers in addition. So this will be 0, this will be 0. So we don't write 0 because 0 cannot affect addition. This is actually additive identity. 1 plus 5, this is plus 3, it gave us 9. Similarly square of 2, it gave us 4. Either we can write a4 or 4a, so it will be the same because commutative law hold. Now 4 is in multiplication of this. We can divide 4 on both sides, so it will become a. Similarly when we can divide on left hand side, so it will be 9 by 4. Or simply you can you know the method that if you find the value of a, so 4 is in multiplication, so other side it will move, so it will be 9 by 4 equal to a, or a equal to 9 by 4. Now we can put another value. This is x is equal to minus 1, so we can put x is equal to minus 1 in equation 2. Now this is, you know that this is equation 2, so minus 1 will be minus 1, this will be minus 1. Similarly this will be minus 1 plus 1. Similarly this will be minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 plus 1. Here we put x is equal to minus 1 in this whole equation. Now this is minus 1 minus 1, so here it is. Now minus 1 square, what does it mean? That multiply minus 1 2 times. So multiply 1 2 times, it will be like minus 1 square, it will give us 1. Similarly plus minus, minus 5 plus 3 equal to a into 0, minus 1 plus 1, so it is actually 0, and 0 square, it is 0, and anything multiplied with 0, so it gives us 0. Similarly, this is b minus 1 minus 1, so it gave us minus 2. Similarly, minus 1 plus 1, it gave us 0. So anything multiplied with 0, so the whole portion will become 0. Similarly, plus c minus 1 minus 1, so it gave us minus 2. Now 1 minus 5 plus minus minus 5 plus 1, this is 4 with greater sign, so it is actually minus 4 plus 3. Similarly, this term will be finished because it is in product of 0. This term will be finished because this is in product of 0. Only c of minus 2, this is the remaining part. Now minus 4 plus 3, minus plus minus 4 minus 3, it gave us 1 with greater value sign. So this is minus 1 into c into minus 2. Now when we can remove minus 2 to find the value of c, divide minus 2 on both sides. So minus 2 when we can divide on this side, and minus 2 when we can divide on this side. So minus 2 will be cancelled, minus minus will be cancelled, just 1 by 2 is equal to c. This will be remain, so it means that c is equal to 1 by 2. Now we can find the value of a and c, but still this is the one constant that is remaining. Now here we can move toward other method. Like this is not other method, but we can compare the coefficients. In previous question we can't do it. Now here we can, to find the value of b, because a and c here we can find it, but b is still remaining. For the value of b, we can pick this equation 3. This is actually x square plus 5x plus 3 and multiply a. So it will become ax square plus plus a or plus 2ax plus bx square minus b. Like multiply this a to the whole side. So this equation 3 will become like this: x square plus 5x plus 3 is equal to ax square plus 2ax plus a plus bx square minus b plus cx minus c. Just we can write in the standard form, like this is 2x. So first we can write 2ax and then we can write a, just like this. This is multiplication. Now comparing coefficient of x square in equation 3. This is equation number 3. This one is equation number 3. Like we can just compare the coefficient of here. This is here where there is nothing, so it means that the coefficient of x square is 1. Similarly, the coefficient of x square here, it is a. Similarly, the coefficient of x square here, it is b. And with c, this is a linear because there is only x. So just here the coefficient of x square, this is 1. Here the coefficient of x square, this is a. Here the coefficient of x square, this is b. We can write this coefficient to be equal to 0 because this is a comparing coefficient method. Now we know the value of a. This is the value of a. A is equal to 9 by 4. We can put a is equal to 9 by 4 in this equation. So 1 is equal to 9 by 4 plus b. When 9 by 4 will move on other side, so it will be negative. 1 into minus 9 by 4 equal to b. When we can take 4 as a LCM, so we can write in denominator and then we can multiply with this. So 4 ones are 4 minus, here we can multiply 4, so they will cancel each other. With the denominator they will cancel each other, just minus 9 will be the remain. So 4 minus 9 plus minus minus 9 minus 4 it give us 5 with greater value, with greater value sign. So this is minus 5 by 4 equal to b, or b is equal to minus 5 by 4. Now we know the value of a. Similarly, the value of b and the value of c we can put in this equation. Here we can put the value of a, here we can put the value of b, here we can put the value of c. Now this is a, b and c. We can find the value of a, or just we can write the value of a over there. Similarly, we can find the value of b, which is minus 5 by 4. So we can write in this portion that minus 5 by 4 divided by x plus 1. Similarly, this value, it is c is equal to 1 by 2. So we can write in this part. So this is 1 by 2 into x plus 1 whole square. So 9 by 4 into x minus 1. So when x minus 1 will move to this, so it will be 9 into 4x minus 1. Here x minus 1 will be multiplied with 4. Similarly, plus minus minus, x plus 1 will can shift it over there, so it will be multiplied with 4. It will become 4 into x plus 1. The whole term will be minus 5 divided by 4 into x plus 1 plus 1 by 2 into x plus 1 whole square. So when x plus 1 whole square shifted over there, so it will be multiplied with 2. So the whole portion will be 1 into 1 divided by 2 into x plus 1 whole square. And this is the solution. If students have any questions regarding lecture 1 and lecture 2 on partial fractions, so you can ask through a comment sections or by WhatsApp. And if you have any doubt, so you can ask me in class as well. Thank you and stay blessed.